Welcome to Chamba Chamba Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to cook Sizzling Tofu Sisig. First, prepare the ingredients. Cube-sized tofu, mayonnaise, egg, calamansi, red and green bell pepper, red and green chili, soy sauce, white onion, and garlic. First, chop the garlic, white onion, bell pepper, and green chili. Now, let's prepare and cook the tofu. Add the salt and pepper to taste. And then mix them. And then now, let's heat the cooking oil. We will now fry the tofu that we cut into cube size. It doesn't have to be crumbed. You can have many batches. Fry until its color becomes golden brown. Now, let's saute. You can use butter or cooking oil. When sauteing, chopped garlic comes first. Add the chopped white onion. When the onion and garlic is melted, you can now add the fried tofu. And now add the chopped bell peppers. Add the chopped green chili and then mix them. Now add the mayonnaise. Add the soy sauce and mix them again. Salt and pepper to taste. And then mix them again. Now, add the juice extracted from the calamansi and then mix them again. For the finale, melt the butter in the sizzling pan and wait for it to turn hot. Transfer the sauteed tofu. Make a hole in the middle, and there you will crack and put the egg and then turn the stove off. Top it also with toasted garlic and place the chili on top. And lastly, the calamansi. It's done! And now, it's time to taste!
Yung paborito kong sisig.
So here's the recipe. The ingredients: 6 pieces tofu, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of onion, 1 piece of bell pepper, 2 pieces red chili, 1 piece of green chili, 3 teaspoon calamansi juice, 1 piece egg, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 tablespoon of butter, toasted garlic, and cooking oil. If you appreciate this video, click the like button below and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Chamba Chamba Cooking and click the bell button next to it.